Hey everyone, thinking about buying an older home? Well, today I'm breaking down the pros and cons so you can make a smart decision. Let's dive right in. First up, the pros. Number 1, charm and character. Older homes often have unique architectural details you just don't find in new builds. Think crown moldings, hardwood floors, and vintage fixtures. These features can really give your home a distinctive personality. Number 2, established neighborhoods. Many older homes are located in mature neighborhoods with big trees, parks, and a strong sense of community. Plus, you might find they're closer to city centers, making commutes a breeze. Number 3, bigger lots. Older homes often come with more land. That means more space for gardens, outdoor activities, or even expansion if you're feeling ambitious. But it's not all rosy. Let's talk about the cons. Number 1, maintenance and repairs. Older homes can come with a laundry list of needed repairs. From outdated plumbing to electrical systems that need updating, the cost can add up quickly. Number 2, energy efficiency. Many older homes aren't as energy efficient as newer ones. Think drafty windows and less insulation. This can lead to higher utility bills and a bigger carbon footprint. Number 3, layout and modern conveniences. Older homes might not have the open floor plans or modern amenities that many people want today. You might find smaller closets, fewer bathrooms, and less storage space. So, should you buy an older home? It really depends on what you value most: charm and location, or modern convenience and low maintenance. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below and let's get the conversation started. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tips. Catch you in the next one.